What if I told you that you could turn clutter into cash, all from the comfort of your home? Imagine making money from the things that you no longer need. Selling on eBay is easier than you think, and it's a great way to start earning extra income, whether you're clearing out your closet or diving into a side hustle. This guide will walk you through the steps to start selling and making money on eBay. Let's get started. The first step to selling on eBay is creating an account. If you don't already have one, head over to eBay's website and sign up. It's free and it only takes a few minutes. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name and email address. Once your account is set up, take a moment to explore the platform. Familiarize yourself with how it works. Check out other sellers and get a feel for the types of items that are popular. Potential buyers will often visit your profile, so make sure your profile looks trustworthy. Upload a clear profile picture and also write a short bio to let them know that you're a real human. So now the question is, what should you sell on eBay? One of the most important decisions you'll make as a seller is choosing what to sell. Start looking around your home for items you no longer need or use. Popular categories on eBay include electronics, fashion, and collectibles. Think about items that are in good condition, have some value, and likely to be in demand. What I like to do is utilize the camera feature in eBay, where you can take a photo of your item and eBay will try to find the best match based on that photo. You can also scan barcodes on items. For example, books has barcodes that you can scan and see how much they are going for on eBay. You can also check if the item that you've searched has sold in the past. By doing so, this will give you an idea of how to price your items competitively. Remember, the goal is to sell things that people want, so focus on items that are unique, rare, or high in demand. Alright, so let's get started by clicking here on the top right. After clicking on sell, you will be brought here on your seller's hub. Now you click on the right side here, create listing and then single listing. After doing so, we need to search up the item that we want to sell. For this instance, I'll be selling this Jordan 1 here. After searching, eBay will give you suggestions. So here's a direct match for our product. Then we click on continue. Sweet, now we have to select the condition. For this instance, it's new with box. Then we click on continue. Alright, now we are here on the complete your listing page. Now we need to upload photos that we've taken. We just copy this and drag it over here. Once you uploaded your photos, make sure to choose one to be your main photo. And you can rearrange them as you please. So after uploading our photos, we scroll down here to put our title. Here's one I prepared earlier. So as we can see, I usually put here a green tick mark for just some attention. The size, then the name of the product, and then another size here, which is UK. Over this side is US, and then also the condition of our product. Once we have entered our title, let's scroll down here. Since we clicked that match from earlier, all of these are pre-filled for us now, so we can just leave them as is. So now let's enter our description. Usually I put product description here, and then I bold it, and then I copy the product description from another website like StockX, and then I paste it here. Alright, I bold that, and then I put here free shipping. Sneaker will be normal cost. Please, do you have any questions? So here's an example of my product description. I usually keep it short. Next is the pricing. This one's pretty straightforward. You can choose either an auction format or a buy it now format, but for this instance, we're choosing buy it now. Now I put the price here. I also allow offers because sometimes people will send through their offers and I might consider accepting it, and sometimes I also submit a counter offer, and that usually helps me get the sale. Now we go to the postage section and set up our postage method. For this instance, it's just standard, and then we scroll down a little bit here. For this instance, I'm gonna offer free postage and don't charge the customer. I also allow local pickup. Now if you scroll down here, it will say promote your listing. I usually ignore this, but if you're having a hard time to sell your item, I think turning this on would help it, but I usually leave it for now. And let's click on list it. Then boom, there you have it. You just made your first eBay listing. Now we can click here to view it. And there you go. Beautiful. Congratulations, you made a sale. Now it's time to ship your item to your buyer. eBay makes this process easy by offering shipping labels that you can print directly from your account. Make sure to pack your item carefully to ensure that it arrives in perfect condition. Use bubble wrap, sturdy boxes, and plenty of padding for fragile items. Once your item is packed and labeled, drop it off at your local post office. Make sure to upload the tracking number to eBay so the buyer can follow the shipment. A few final pro tips. Be patient. There will be times when your eBay listings don't sell right away, and that's okay. The right buyer will come along eventually. Also, always try to leave a feedback for your customers. This encourages them to leave you a 5-star review in return. If a buyer hasn't left a feedback, it doesn't hurt to ask politely through a message. Start by asking if they are satisfied with their purchase, and if they are, kindly request a positive review. I hope these tips help you to get started on your eBay journey. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support my channel, and stay tuned for more content like this one.